Three things you can find in Turkish. Number one, agglutination. Turkish is an agglutinative language, meaning words are built by suffixation. Let's say you have a basket, which is sepet in Turkish. If you have more than one, you say sepetler. If you want to indicate that the basket is yours, you say sepetim. If you talk about your many baskets, you say sepetlerim. The person who makes baskets is called sepetçi. If you talk about more than one basket maker, you say sepetçiler. And if they all work for you, you may say sepetçilerim. There is a preference in arranging the order of many suffixes attached to one word, as you might have already suspected. That's another video's topic. Learning Turkish is basically learning suffixes. You may think of using necessary suffixes in the correct order as your main task, while you are also enhancing your vocabulary and getting used to the word order in the sentence, which we will talk about in this video. Agglutination may come in handy for enhancing your vocabulary, actually. You learn one word and change its meaning by adding suffixes. You need to learn two words in English to say sepetçi, basket, maker. Number two, vowel harmony. Okay, suffixes are used to build words in Turkish. I like to think of these suffixes as puzzle pieces. Just like you need to put those pieces in a certain order and pick a side of each piece in order to fit them together, you also pick a sound out of alternatives for your suffix in order to put it in harmony with the word it is attached to. Vowel or the suffix you add to the word comes to an agreement with the last vowel of that word. While plural for candle is mumlar, plural for battery is piller. The vowel may be one of a or e, and the suffix may be one of lar or ler, depending on the last vowel of the word. Remember, it was sepetler in number one, piller, sepetler, but mumlar. Please see our video dedicated solely to vowel harmony to learn how it works in detail. Number three, SOV word order. Do you think Yoda from Star Wars speaks a little weird English? That is because he does not use the standard word order of English, which is SVO. The subject first, then the verb, and then the object. He uses OSV order instead. Clever he is. Turkish will feel like saying you love instead of I love you. Because in Turkish, first comes the subject, then the object, and finally the verb. This is called SOV, subject, object, verb, word order. I'll see you next time. Görüşürüz.